Describe your ideal man to date and eventually marry. If your partner were wealthy and asked you to pick anything for him to buy you, what would it be? If you introduced your date to your family and they disapproved, what would you do? Let's say you are having the perfect first date and you are really into each other. Is he getting lucky at the end of the night, if you know what I mean? May we know what's your name and age?
I am Trisha. I am 20 years old po.
How are you tonight, Trisha?
I'm okay, a little tired, but fine.
Trisha is tired. Okay, so here's the question, Trisha. Describe your ideal man to date and eventually marry.
I think my ideal man today is that I can understand not only me, but also the people around me. Yeah.
Understanding.
Yes, very understanding.
If your partner were wealthy and asked you to pick anything for him to buy you, what would it be?
I think the things that the dogs care, because I want to help the stray dogs and cat, to give them shelter and to feed them.
You have a big heart.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, if you introduced your date to your family and they disapproved, what would you do?
I'll show them what he's like, and I'll try to make them love him.
So you're gonna fight for him.
Yes.
Let's say you are having the perfect first date and you are really into each other. Is he getting lucky at the end of the night, if you know what I mean?
I think no.
No.
I think no. It's not the right. I think everything has a right time. About.
Right time. How many dates do you think you are, like comfortable with, like doing things like,
Mm, Plenty. I think plenty much. I cannot really tell how plenty it is because depends on our communication and our relationship.
communication? I could tell that you're still, what course are you taking, Beth?
BSFS po, Bachelor of Forensic Science.
And what year are you now?
First year, I just shifted this year.
Okay lang. Pati lang nagkita, okay lang. Ay, how about you want? Manabili kita, be. Vlog kami. Ang content niya sa street interview, random people, random questions lang din. Kaya nang edad nindo, be? Beri kita, be. What is your name and age?
Angela po, I'm 19 years old.
Angela, you have very beautiful eyes.
Thank you po.
You're welcome. Okay, so Angela, here's the question. Describe your ideal man to date and eventually marry.
Um, for me po right now, since I was single, I cannot visualize po my ideal man. Pero I hope I find someone who's ano po, who's willing to do everything for me.
Everything such as,
So po, faithful to God,
and also,
loving.
okay. Okay. Now, if your partner were wealthy and asked you to pick anything for him to buy you, what would it be?
Personally po, I'm not a materialistic person po, so I don't know what to pick. Pero if I would given a chance, siguro po, a wealthy man po for me is someone who can give me peace of mind. So I don't think so na there's anything more than peace of mind po that he will give me.
Okay. Well, she mentioned that she is not materialistic, that's why. So, really, like nothing, right? You don't need anything.
Yes po.
If you introduced your date to your family and they disapproved, what would you do?
I think I would respect po my parents po. I think po kasi na parents know what is the best. So I think if they disapprove my date, and I will respect po them.
So you're not gonna fight for him or let them at least know him better.
I am close to my parents po kasi, and I know po na if they disapprove, they see something that wouldn't be okay with them po.
Let's say you are having the perfect first date and you are really into each other. Is he getting lucky at the end of the night, if you know what I mean?
Maybe po, if I was ready, I think he will be lucky.
If you are ready.
Yes.
Are you single, Be, or do you have a boyfriend?
I'm from long-term relationship, and right now po I'm single.
How long have you been single?
9 months.
9 months. Okay. Long term relationship. How long was the relationship?
3 years.
3 years. Wow. 19. So you were like 16? 16 years old? 15?
So I was 17 po.
17. Okay. What course are you taking, Beth?
Nursing po. Bachelor.
Beautiful.
Nursing.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Well, there's so many Bicolanas that are studying, to become a nurse. You must be smart. What is your name and age?
My name is Hara and I'm 19 years old.
Hara, are you pure Filipino or you're half?
I have 25% Chinese and Spanish.
I was right. But you're so pretty. Very pretty. You're welcome. Oh, thank you. Okay, so here's the question, Beb. Describe your ideal man to date and eventually marry.
My ideal man is the one who will love me unconditionally and pure-heartedly. The one who will always say yes, even though in the bad times, and who will stick to me during bad times, not just the good times.
That's beautiful. Okay, if your partner were wealthy and asked you to pick anything for him to buy you, what would it be?
I don't want to buy something. I want to donate to the one who has cancers who cannot afford treatment because my dad is a cancer patient and eventually he died. Unfortunately, I mean.
I'm sorry to hear about that. Okay, so she also have a big heart. You know, the first lady that we interviewed earlier, she also want to donate for the stray dogs and you for cancer patients. I really love you guys. Very kind, right? Seriously, very kind. Okay, now if you introduced your date to your family and they disapproved, what would you do?
At first I will prove them that they are wrong, and of course I love the person. Um I will pagtanggol them.
Okay, you're going to. I was saying fight. Sorry, what's another term for that? You're going to defend him.
I will prove them wrong that I saw something in him that ano, they're ano, na they can't see, and I'm not a very person. I will get to know him first before I introduce him to my family. So before I will introduce him to my family, I will get to know him first, and I will know if he is the one.
Let's say you are having the perfect first date and you are really into each other. Is he getting lucky at the end of the night, if you know what I mean?
No, for me, he should respect what I'm. I'm a person who believes in sex before marriage before sex. Tama ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Marriage before sex. Okay. So you're like a unicorn, be. That's very seldom, like someone like that. Okay. How many boyfriends you had?
One.
Only one. Okay. And how long was the relationship?
Um 1 year.
A year. So you're single now.
I currently have a boyfriend, but it's very complicated right now because we are in an LDR relationship.
What are you studying, Be?
Nursing.
Nursing. The same thing, the one that we interviewed earlier, she's a friend with her. What is your name and age?
I'm Chesca po, 20 years old.
How are you tonight, Chesca?
I'm happy po tonight.
You're happy. I could tell that. And you're cold, right?
Yes po.
Like it's been raining guys here. Okay, so here's the question. Describe your ideal man to date and eventually marry.
I want a God-fearing man and kind po.
God fearing. Are you also like religious?
Kind of po.
Kind of. Okay. Now, if your partner were wealthy and asked you to pick anything for him to buy you, what would it be?
I'm not materialistic girl po, but if my man is wealthy, I would rather give it to charity po.
Charity like?
Like sa mga elders po or sa mga PWD po.
Oh my god, what's going on tonight, guys? Because you are the fourth person that we interviewed tonight, and then you're the third person from the four ladies that said that they're going to donate. If you introduced your date to your family and they disapproved, what would you do?
I think I would talk first to my man, and if I think he would prove himself if he really wants me. He will prove himself to my parents if he really wants me. And if he doesn't, then no.
Okay, how about you? Are you gonna defend him to your parents?
Yes, if I really love him, if I really love him, and if he deserves my, you know.
Okay. What if your parents says no? Like their decision is firm.
I'm not sure because it's complicated when my parents don't want my partner.
Let's say you are having the perfect first date and you are really into each other. Is he getting lucky at the end of the night, if you know what I mean?
I think I don't know what you mean, but no, I think no,
No.
no.
Okay. Well, it's very just like what you said earlier, she's kind of religious, right? So I could tell. So you're someone that, gonna wait for, marriage first.
Yes.
How many boyfriends you had, Beb?
I am no boyfriend since birth.
No boyfriends, and you are 20 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, may we know what's the reason why?
Because I can find one.
You can't find
But
one.
I tried talking to people. It's just not working.
Are you picky?
No, not really.
How about like your standard? Is it high or something?
No.
Well, she's looking simple, right? You said earlier God fearing and
And kind.
kind. Is it hard to find God fearing and kind nowadays?
Oh no, but the other standards are hard, it's bare minimum. I don't want to settle with bare minimum.
Oh, I see. Okay. Are you looking for someone who's also like rich?
Not kind of, yeah.
Okay. You're still studying, right?
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Financial management and accounting.
What year are you now?
I'm third year.
Third year. So one more year, right? Well, good luck. I wish you all the best. She seems like smart and kind. Okay, well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I live from